How to make a paracord bracelet, Black Prince. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful and elegant paracord project, stay with us by the end of this video, enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back! I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're going to use this gold paracord 5/5 and this black one also 5/5. The length of the paracord are on your screens. So we're going to start with our bracelet core, but before that, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, this one or this one, the full tutorials you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video, so go ahead and check it out. And the credit for this beautiful and awesome paracord project goes to our brother Pavel Makurin, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna find the center of our black strand, and then with this bite we're gonna insert it from the top into the buckle. Flatten it a bit, okay. And now from here we're gonna pull these two cords through the loop. Now to the top side, we're gonna create two cow's hitches. So take the right strand and pass it from the top. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, so from the top into the buckle. Tight, and from left to the right side. Now from the back through the buckle, and then through this loop we created. By doing this we're gonna finish our first cow's hitches, and we're gonna continue with the second one. Tie this a bit, okay. Now the second. If you have any questions, suggestions or anything regarding the paracord projects, feel free to leave a comment down below. And on the end, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button. Now from the back through the buckle and then through the loop and tie it. Now we're gonna insert our gold paracord into the bracelet core. We're gonna use the feed or simply detach it from the jig and then insert the gold from the top in between the cow's hitches from the left side. So through, and now tie this, reattach it, and here we insert our gold. On the end you can create a little knot. We created our bracelet core and working ends, so we can start with the knots. From the top, insert the cord through the middle and to the side, like so. Now from here, we're gonna take our gold cord and we're gonna pass it on top of the black one, under this black strand, and then we're gonna return it from the back between the two black cords and through and on top of the core cords. Now on the left side the same, so from the top with the left strand from the top into the middle and to the side. Now with the gold on top of the black cord under the black strand here, and then we're going to return it into the gap between this left strand and the core strands and on top of the core strands. So take your gold and place it through the gap and on top of the core strands. As simple as that. Once more, black strand from the top into the middle and to the side, the gold strand on top of the black one, around and from the back, through the gap between this black cord here and the core strands, and then on top of the core strands, like so. Very simple and very easy, yet very beautiful and elegant Paracord project. So here we are. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!